welcome to the South Texas Hunting and Fishing Show, where I'm coming out with my little bro back there, Wave Nick, and we are going fishing at South Bay today. And we are going to try and get some reds, and what else, Nick? What do you think we're going to grab?
Snook and trout.
Well, that's the plan. Let's see if it actually happens. Well, guys, see you out on the water. Well, we got a little bit of a late start, but we're headed out, and hopefully we will be catching fish. And next time you see us, we'll have something on. What do you got to say, bud? Oh, there we go. Got a little something on the top water. What is it, Nick? Oh, nice little ladyfish. The poor man's tarpon, man. Whew. There's one thing for sure. Whenever you hook these guys, they go absolutely insane. Sucks about them is, oh, they very slimy fish. Oh, there he is. Let this guy go. I think it was that red that was sliming the edge over there. Alright, you want to head back over? It was? Well, guys, we're switching baits because haven't had a hit for a little bit, and we're gonna see what happens. We're using this red and white. It's usually what we use for good-sized snook, and in the back of South Bay, we hear that you can catch some snook sometimes, so we're gonna see what happens. Yo, nice red on the line right there. First good fish in the morning. Let's land your fish first. Ah, buddy, we got this. Good fish. Nice fish. He will. I'm surprised he hasn't. How tight is your freaking line that this red hasn't taken it? Ooh, it's a nice topwater red. Bring him on over. Oh. Here, I'm gonna lip him. Lip grip him. Huh? Nick, watch it. There's a bunch of hooks. That's why. Here. Here you go, bud. Here. Here. Nice fish, buddy. Nice fish, bud. Ooh. Actually, hold it like this with the top one in its mouth. Okay, good. Alright.
That's a 20.
Alright. About 20, I'd say. Let me get a good picture of this guy. No, don't. Hold him back towards your body and flip him a little bit this way. There you go. Good job. Alright, let's get him unhooked and go catch another one. Huh? That's perfect, man. Good slam, too. Alright. Let's give him a nice turn back to the sea. There you go. There you go. Slimy 5, man. Good job. Nice fish. It's a good way to start the morning. Well, guys, sadly, the wind picked up a lot. There are thunderstorms everywhere. We're hearing thunder all over the place. It's dancing around us, and you know what? I kind of don't feel like being struck by lightning today, so we're going to cut it short today. Well, guys, we're headed home. It was a really freaking windy day. Caught a couple fish. Nick hooked into a nice red, but, you know, we didn't get that many, but it happens. You know, it was a fun day. We had fun. What about you? What do you think about it? Life. Well, we have more videos coming to you soon. Please subscribe below if you guys want to see more videos of South Texas fishing. And have a nice day, guys. I know we did.